What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making air fryer sweet potato fries. These are so easy to make and they're crispy and crunchy, so let's get started. So first, take 2 large sweet potatoes. Mine weighed about 7 pounds total, and I like to use a fry cutter to slice into these. Sweet potatoes are really hard to cut by themselves, so I microwaved these sweet potatoes for about 3 to 4 minutes first to get them soft, and then I run them through this fry cutter. This gets them to be equally sized, which helps cook them evenly in the air fryer at a consistent temperature. And then take those sliced sweet potatoes and soak them in cold water for about an hour. This will remove the excess starch from the sweet potatoes and help them crisp up. And then take 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch and coat those fries evenly. This also helps them crisp up. And then I take 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a little salt and pepper to taste to season the fries. And then go ahead and load those into the air fryer basket and spritz it with some olive oil. Again, that will help them crisp up. You can also use avocado oil. And then air fry those sweet potatoes on 380 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes total. I like to open up the basket and shake it about every 10 minutes to make sure that they are equally crisping. And voila, sweet potato fries.